A brand new AI video generation model just dropped, and it is about to change everything. Kling O1 is the world's first fully unified multimodal video model, and it does not just generate videos, it lets you create, edit, and control full scenes inside one powerful workflow. It is a complete AI platform built for image and video creation, team collaboration, secure chaining, and enterprise-scale production. From concept to final cut, you can upload up to 7 reference images, use a video clip, or simply start with a text idea. Describe your scene in natural language and receive high-fidelity videos in seconds, then iterate and refine everything seamlessly. With Kling O1, you can completely relight the atmosphere of any scene with a simple adjustment, and instantly watch the entire mood transform right before your eyes. The lighting shifts in real time, reshaping how the image feels and how the story is perceived. You can also reframe your shots, redesign the composition, and change camera angles using nothing but simple text prompts. A wide shot can effortlessly become an intimate close-up, or a standard lens can turn into a dramatic, cinematic perspective. With every prompt, the viewpoint evolves with precision and realism. With precise object swapping, any object in your scene can be replaced naturally and effortlessly. What was once a fan can instantly become something entirely new in just a few seconds. Smart Cleanup gives you full control to remove unwanted elements and polish your footage without any complex editing. You can extend your shots, work with keyframes, or instantly swap entire backgrounds to green screen for advanced compositing and creative freedom. You can also recolor and restyle your scenes in seconds by shifting color grades, modifying object colors, or applying bold artistic styles that completely change the look and feel of your video. All of this is powered by a unified multimodal engine and a powerful unified video model that supports conversational editing and strong character consistency across every scene. With detailed control through start and end frame logic, you define exactly where a shot begins and where it ends, then generate perfectly connected footage in between. You can imitate real camera movement, create smooth cinematic pans, transfer motion from one character to another, and even fine-tune the pacing of every moment. With full timeline control, you can customize your video duration from 3 to 10 seconds to match your exact creative rhythm and storytelling style. You can access Kling O1 right now on the Higgsfield AI platform using the link in the video description. And here is the best part. Higgsfield is currently offering unlimited Kling O1 generations for everyone who subscribes to the Ultimate Plus plan by December 7th. So, without wasting any more time, let us jump straight into testing the video mode. Right now you can see Kling O1 on my screen. The first feature I want to test is the start frame and end frame generation. This is where things get really interesting. I will begin by uploading the first image. For this example, let us use a city street at night with a moving car. For the second image, I will upload a quiet sunrise landscape. Now the idea is simple. The car drives through the city and eventually transitions into a calm sunrise scene in the countryside. I honestly do not know exactly how it will interpret this, but that is the exciting part. Let us generate and see what happens. Let us play it. That is actually very interesting. You can clearly see how it begins with the city scene and smoothly transitions into the sunrise landscape as the final frame. Considering how different both images were, the transition turned out surprisingly clean. That is a solid result for a tricky prompt. Now let us try another feature. This time we will test Sketch to Video. This is a full generation engine on its own. I will upload a few simple elements. Let us use a bird, a tree, and a river sketch. Now let us generate and see how it combines everything into a moving scene. As you can see, the video is ready. It looks decent overall. It is not a perfect continuous scene, but with such basic input, the result is still impressive. Some elements blended better than others, but it gives you a strong foundation to build on. Now let us move to the edit mode, which is one of the most powerful parts of Kling O1. This section is where things get truly exciting. Here, you can upload a video to edit, along with up to 4 images or elements. For this test, I will upload the first of a white SUV moving on the highway. Next, I will upload an image of the tree. Now I will add my prompt. Replace the beach side with the tree in the video. This is one of the most exciting tests because it involves object replacement inside an existing clip. Now let us generate the video. As you can see, this consumes more credits and goes into a short queue. The output is now ready, so let us play it. This is very impressive. The reflections and lighting are also adapted to the new object. The video is about 8 seconds long, and the quality of the output looks really clean. This kind of precise replacement opens up so many creative possibilities. Now let me also show you the Kling prompt bank available on Higgsfield. They have shared a collection of structured prompts that act like golden rules for getting the best results. One of the most powerful techniques is multi-reference editing. When you look at the example outputs, it is honestly mind-blowing. You can add multiple people into a single scene, change backgrounds, swap clothing colors, and still maintain realistic lighting and shadows. There are also character reference prompts that allow you to keep the same person consistent across multiple scenes while changing outfits, environments, and styles. Kling O1 is far more than just a video generator. It is a complete creative engine. Everything is available on Higgsfield, where you can also try image generation, video generation, advanced video editing, character tools, trending models, and more. Make sure you stay tuned because even more powerful models are being added regularly. Thank you so much for watching, and I truly hope you found this valuable.